Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Sigler. You can call me Tracy. Doing my introduction a little bit late. I'm transitioning into a new job, and I finally got a morning where I don't have my uniform on yet, so it'll be on any minute now since it's 8:30, and that's the start of our official day. So I wanted to introduce myself, getting ready to go in and watch all of your introductions. So I'll be commenting on those and trying to guess. So quick information about me. I've been at the Citadel since 2018, in the business school up to about a month ago, and I transitioned into a role as department head for leadership studies, which is a department that crosses the entire campus because we're all about leadership. I moved here from Northern Kentucky University, where I was 17 years. Faculty member, department chair, created a master's program in executive leadership and organizational change that I spent a lot of time in. For that, I was at Western Washington University. That was my first job out of my PhD, north of Seattle. Everywhere I've taught leadership, management, work behavior, teamwork, change management skills, so the same kind of classes. My PhD is from the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill in organizational behavior. I grew up in Ohio, went to Bowling Green State University. My first job was at Chrysler at the time, was Chrysler Motors in Detroit. Has changed names and associations many times since then. As a buyer, I did not like that job, so I went back to Bowling Green, got my MBA, and taught for a few years as an instructor and decided this is what I wanted to do. I have one son who is 21, almost 22. He is back in Ohio right now in college, took some time off during COVID. So I'm here with my dog and my two cats in Mount Pleasant, and enjoying living here. So I'm happy I moved. So my two truths and a lie. One is that I'm allergic to dogs, even though I have a dog. Two is that I've been to all 50 states, or visited at least, maybe driven through. And then finally, when I was in college one summer, I sold books door to door. So I look forward to learning about you and hearing your guesses.